How to use AI PDF extension for ChatGPT. iTextMaster can inspire the potential to do everything. First of all, you can install it in Chrome or Edge browser. Let's open iTextMaster here and be able to see its usage panel like this. We have two ways to use. The first method is to choose a book here to start the analysis. It will automatically start the AI summary function, will summarize the content of the entire PDF file, and provide 10 questions you may want to ask. Select one of the questions it will immediately answer you, or you can also make their own questions about the content of the PDF document. The second method is to open your folder, the need to summarize the analysis of PDF documents, drag and drop into the iTextMaster, and then repeat the steps of the first method Candy. It's so amazing. More functions in iTextMaster.